Welcome to the Pocket Science channel. Hi everyone. We have already done the first 5 questions of the 2019 advanced level paper. If you have still not watched it, you can watch it from the link given below in the description. Today, let's see the next question of that paper. The question is, the region enclosed by the curves y equal root x plus 1 upon x squared plus 1, comma x equal 0, comma x equal 1 and y equal 0 is rotated by the x-axis through 2 pi radians. Show that the volume of the solid thus generated is pi upon 4 times pi plus ln 4. The 4 boundaries of the region is given in the question. Then we can sketch the region in the graph. Let's see. To sketch the curve, I am substituting the values in the function y equal root x plus 1 upon x squared plus 1. The values are 0 and 1. And if you substitute 0 in here, we are having root 1 upon 1. It is 1. Then I am marking that 1. If you substitute 1 in here, it is root 2 upon 2. It is also equal to 1. Then this is the other point. Then now I don't know the curve is skew above or below. To find it, I am just substituting a middle value x equal half in here. Then I am having here half plus 1 is 3 upon 2. Here 1 upon 4 plus 1. Then if I simplify it, I am having root 6 upon 5. It is a value greater than 1. Then I can say the middle part is somewhat above this line 1. Then the graph is skew above. And I can mark the curve as like this. Then the other regions are already filled. X equal 1, this is x equal 0, then this is the y equal 0. Then they are asking the volume of the solid formed by rotating this curve about x-axis. As you know, the volume of a solid rotated about x-axis or y-axis can be found by using the integration. Then, if the solid is rotated about x-axis, the equation for the volume is equal integral a to b, these are the two limits, pi y squared dx. If the solid is rotated about y-axis, the equation is p equal integral a to b pi x squared dy. Then in the above graph, the solid is rotated about x-axis, then I have to use this equation. Then I am writing by substituting the regarding values. V equal integral 0 to 1. Those are the limits of x in the region. pi times y squared. In here, y is equal to root x plus 1 upon x squared plus 1. Whole thing squared times dx. Now I have to use the integration part and simplify this function. Integral 0 to 1 times pi x plus 1 upon x squared plus 1 times dx. Since pi is a constant, I can take it out. To find the integral of this one, I am separating numerator as like this. 0 to 1 times x upon x squared plus 1 dx plus integral 0 to 1 upon x squared plus 1 dx. Here pi times, I can find the integration of this part. In the numerator I am having x, in the denominator I am having x squared plus 1. The derivative of the denominator is 2x. I can form the 2x in the numerator and I can write it as like this. 2x upon x squared plus 1 into half. To simplify this 2, I am dividing by 2 times dx plus the integral of this part. As you know, it is tan inverse x. I can directly write it tan inverse x. Then I am writing the limits 1 and 0. As you know, when the differential coefficient of the denominator is on the numerator, we can write it as ln x squared plus 1. I am writing the limits also. And also we have half in here. I am writing it in here. Then already a pi outside. Plus, I am going to find this value here. Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Here it is pi times half. Here also I am going to substitute the values 1 and 0. ln 1 squared 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. ln 2 minus, you substitute 0, it is ln 1. Plus tan inverse 1 is equals to pi upon 4 in the principal values, minus tan inverse 0 is equal to 0. Pi times half. The value of ln 1 is 0, then I am having only ln 2 in here, plus pi upon 4. We can further simplify this to get the answer given in the question. Then for that, they have given a pi upon 4 outside. Then I can take 4 out by multiplying both the term by 4. Then if I multiply this by 4, I am having 2 ln 2, plus if I multiply this by 4, I am having pi. then pi upon 4 times. According to the laws in logarithms, we can take this 2 as a power, then 2 squared is 4. It is ln 4 plus, nothing to simplify in here, you can write it as pi. This is what the answer given in the question. I think you have got an idea about finding the volume of a solid rotated by x-axis or y-axis by using the integration. If you need the explanation of the other questions also, please keep our channel subscribed, and if you like this video, please put a like and share our video. Thank you.